Good evening or good day, everyone, depending on where and when you are listening to us from. So, welcome to the class. We'll be starting the class right now. Make sure you are in a quiet and conducive environment where you'll be able to hear the audio part very well and where you'll be able to see this clearly. So, make sure you get a pen and a jotter to be able to draft down some of the important points that we'll share right now. I'll promise to share very important and valid points with which you can start making profit from this right away. Forex is simple, Forex is difficult. It depends on how you take it and how much knowledgeable you are about it. By the time we are through with this tonight, you'll be able to start your Forex trading journey profitably. Not only profitably, you'll be able to learn a lot of valuable informations that you'll be able to make good and very reasonable profit from. We are talking about thousands of dollar. So thank you very much. We will be starting right now. So our topic tonight is or today, depending on where you are listening to us on, is smart forex trading, the copy and paste signal method. This is the method of forex in which you don't have to have deep knowledge of forex trading before you start making good and reasonable profit from your forex trading activities. So we will show you how to do it in a very simple way that you'll be able to get a lot of results quickly from this. Smart forex trading, the copy and paste signal method. So before I move forward, I would like to quickly introduce myself. I am Jide Adedeji. I am an accountant by profession, but I derive pleasure in online businesses. I've done series of online businesses such as e-commerce, mini importation, and the king of them all, which is forex trading. I'm a profitable forex trader and I'm a signal service provider. So I'm a father of two, and I can say I have trained a lot of hundreds of students that are successful. Not only successful, some of them have also trained other students that are making good profit from forex trading today as I speak. So let's move on. These are our topics that we'll be looking at right now. Introduction to foreign exchange, that's number one. Number two is basic needed terms in forex trading. Thirdly, we'll be looking at smart forex trading, which is the most important topic for today or tonight. Then how much you can make monthly with our signal, that's number four. Then number five, how you can join the LI Forex Signal group. Then number six is conditions to qualify for 2 months free signal with Elite Forex group. And the last but not the least is cash bonuses from our sponsor. So these are some of the topics that we'll be looking at tonight or today. So let's move forward without wasting much of our time. Introduction to foreign exchange. Introduction to foreign exchange. So when we talk about forex, which is also known as foreign exchange, what are we talking about? Foreign, we can call it forex, we can call it foreign exchange, we can call it a financial market. So depending on the name you prefer to call it. So forex simply means foreign exchange. It is the largest financial market in the world, and it has a daily transaction volume of about 6.6 trillion dollar. That's the volume of transactions that goes around in forex on a daily basis. 6.6 trillion dollar. It is very huge, and like I said, is the largest financial market in the world. So forex is the exchange of one commodity for the other, or the exchange of one currency for the other. It is a like we can say forex is like you are buying the share of a particular country. For example, Japan. If you are buying Japanese yen, we can say you are buying the share of a Japanese economy, because the currency of a particular nation is a reflection of the strength of the economy of that nation. For example, if a Japanese economy is growing and moving up, the currency of Japan will also be growing at that moment. Then if Japanese economy is going down at a particular moment, the currency of Japan at that moment will also be losing value. That is, the currency of a country reflect the strength of the economy of that country. So we have different commodities or different currencies we have trade in forex. So in forex we can trade currencies, you can trade cryptocurrencies, we can trade metals, precious metals such as gold, diamond, silver. We can trade oil, crude oil such as US oil. You can trade British oil. You can trade stocks such as Apple Incorporated shares. You can trade stocks such as Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, and many others like that. So there is a lot of commodities or assets you can trade in forex. So when you talk about forex, we talk about exchange of one commodity for the other. Forex is usually carried out on a mobile phone or internet enabled system. So the thing about forex is you don't have to go to the government establishment to carry it out. You can carry it out on your mobile phone or on your system with intermediary that we known as a broker. Brokers are companies that are licensed to provide a platform on which you can trade forex. So just on your internet enabled mobile phone or your computer system, you can make a lot of trade a lot of commodities and make profit. So it can be carried out on your mobile phone or on your system. Basic needed terms in forex trading. These are some of the important topics or important terms we use in forex trading. So these are some of the important ones we talk about. Money management, there are many, but we'll be looking at the very important ones we need for the concept of this topic, so that we'll start implementing and making profit as soon as possible. With time, you will have access to our full forex course. You'll be able to gain free access to it tonight if you decide to take our offer, and by that you'll be able to learn it deeply if you decide to learn forex deeply and trade on your own profitably. We have a number of students who are already doing this and trading by themselves and making profits with our signals also. So you can also do that if you want to, but for the purpose of this, we'll just look at the very important points and terms we use in forex trading. So we have money management. Money management is a method by which you manage your fund while you are trading, so that you do not lose your fund to loss. In forex, you cannot win all your trades. You can have a good winning rate. When you have a good winning rate, you'll be able to make profit over time, but you have to also ensure you manage your funds, so that some few losses that you might experience may not lead to total loss of your fund. So this is money management. This is the method by which you protect your fund from total loss in case of few losses that you might experience. You cannot win all your trades. There will be some few losses no matter how good you are. So with money management, you are able to safeguard your fund from total loss, so that while you are making profit, you keep growing your fund and few losses will not eat up all your fund. Then we have the PO, which is a pending order. Pending order is a method by which you take a trade and instruct the trade to go active when a particular set of condition is met. For example, let's say gold price is at 1960. You are expecting the price to fall to 1950. Then at this 1950, you can when the price is 1950, at this price of 1950, you can set a pending order so that when the price hits 1950, your trade will go active, and in the direction that, if it goes in the direction that you speculate, you make profit. So that is pending order. You set a order like a pre-order for it to go active when the set of conditions that you set is met. You usually set a particular price for the trade to go active. Then we have this SNR, which is a support and resistance. SNR is a support and resistance. This is a method. This is actually an economic term, or it's also a method in which at support level, the price has hit a particular price at which it can no longer fall. So at that level we buy, so that we expect that the price will go up and we make profit. Then resistance is also a point at which the price has gone very high up to a point at which we expect that the price will fall. So this is a resistance point. We normally sell at a resistance point, and we expect the price to fall so that we make profit. Then we have the SND, which is supply and demand, which is also an economic term. Supply and demand is a method which says that when there is much supply of a particular commodity, let's say gold for example, when there is much people are selling, when everybody is selling gold, for example gold against US dollar, when everybody is selling gold, the price drops. So at this point we expect the price to fall. When the supply is very high, there is much of this product in the market, we have everybody is flushing the product in the market into the market, that means the price will fall. So then demand, when there is higher demand for a particular commodity, just like in economics, the price goes up. That is, when everybody is looking for a particular commodity, there is scarcity of that commodity and the price is expected to go up. Then we have the trend line. This is the method by which we draw some set of lines to determine the point at which we enter a trade. So we normally use trend analysis or trend lines to determine the point at which we place a trade, either to buy or to sell a particular asset or a particular commodity. Then we have a TP. TP is known as a take profit. TP is known as take profit. TP is what we use in Forex to set a particular price for our profit trade to close in profit. For example, if we are buying trade at 1960, we can set our TP at 1970. So if the price of gold grows up to 1970, our trade will close automatically in profit. That means at that point our trade has closed in profit. We are no longer at the risk of losing our money. So the point at which is set for our trade to close in profit is known as take profit, also known as a TP. Invariably, we also have a SL. SL is the point that we set, or a price that we set for our trade to close in loss in case our trade is not going as expected. For example, if the price of gold is 1960, we can and we are buying gold at this particular price of 1960, we can set our stop loss at 1955, so that we expect the price to go up to 1970. If the price does not go up as expected, the price is then falling. So by the time we are making some losses, the price will close at our set stop loss price. This is a method by which we protect our fund from bigger loss. For example, when you set the trade to close at that particular stop loss price, if the trade keeps going down, your trade would have closed at the point which you set. That will prevent you from losing all your fund, or from losing the totality of your fund in a single trade. So the stop loss is there for us to set to protect our fund from total loss. Then we have the break even. Break even is a method by which we protect our already profitable trade from incurring loss. It's a method by which we protect our already profitable trade from incurring loss. For example, we buy gold at 1960, Then the price is going up. The price of gold has reached 1965. So we want to keep the trade going. We expect the price to still go up further. What we do is we set trade even a break even at our entry point. That means we just shift our stop loss to 1960, such that if that trade reverses and go down, instead of us to make loss, the trade will close at our entry price. That means no loss, no gain for that particular trade. The importance of break even is we still expect to make more profit in a particular trade. We set our break even such that even if that price reverses, our trade will close at our entry point, so that we cannot incur loss for that particular trade again. Once we break even on a particular trade, we cannot incur loss on that particular trade again. So that's the essence of break even. Then we also have the cut loss. Cut loss is a situation whereby we stop our trade abruptly. For example, we enter the trade, then we observe that there is a major movement in the market against our price. So we observe that the price is going down drastically and we are losing seriously. We can quickly close the trade with the already incurred loss instead of making some further losses. So that is cut loss. That means we cut it abruptly, just like a stop loss, but in this case we close the trade by ourselves manually to prevent further losses. So that is what we call cut loss. Then we have the layer, which is also known as re-entry. This is a method we also call martingale layering in forex trading. This is a method by which we enter some more trades by the time our trade is making negative figures. For example, we buy gold at 1960, gold price falls to 1959, we can take another trade. Then it falls to 1958, we can take another trade with the same place another entry. The implication is that if the price reverses back to profit, we will make much more profit on these trades than entering a single trade. That is re-entry, which is also known as martingale layering. With time, we'll be able to give a further explanation on this when you start accessing our full forex course. Then we have the margin call. Margin call is simply like a form of notification when you are about to lose all your funds in your account. There will be a margin call, like a notification to tell you that you should fund if you want your trade to keep running. So there is no way you can have a negative figure in forex trading if you are trading with a good broker. So you can lose all your funds, but you cannot incur a negative balance. The margin call will notify you once your trade is about to close or your fund is about to turn to zero. So to notify you to either fund to keep your trade going, or your trade will close automatically when your fund becomes zero. So those are some of the important words in the forex trading. Then we also have the one that is not here, which is a pip, percentage in points. We normally measure our profit and loss in pip in forex trading. So percentage in points. Then we have the mini pip, we have the micro pip. So percentage in point. Then also we have the lots. So we also have the lots. This is the what we use to measure the volume of the trade we are taking. Lot size. We normally measure our trade in lots. So we have the one lot, which is equal to 100,000 US dollar. We have the mini lot, which is equal to 10,000 US dollar. Then we have the micro lot, which is equal to 1,000 US dollar. So when we are trading 0.01, that means we are trading micro lot. When we are trading, which is equal to 1,000 US dollar. So if you are trading 0.01, that means you are trading equivalent of 1,000 US dollar. If you are trading 0.1, you are trading mini lot, which is equivalent to 10,000 US dollar. Then when you are taking one lot trade, that means you are trading in volume of 100,000 US dollar. So if you are trading with $250 per, for example, you can take like a 0.05 or 0.07 lots per trade or per signal. So those are some of the important points that we'll just look at now for the purpose of this topic that we are looking at. Smart Forex trading. This is the, like I said, this is the most important topic that we'll be looking at tonight. Smart Forex trading. Why we have about 95% of Forex traders losing their money in Forex trading while they are trading. We have 5% of top Forex traders who are always making good profits while they trade. So in Forex, 95% of traders usually lose their money while trading. Then we have the top 5% of Forex traders who always make money from this trading. Most of these top 5% are people who trade for banks and large corporations, and some top Forex traders who keep making profit day in, day out from their trading activities. So what is smart forex trading? Smart forex trading is a method by which we use our affiliation with some of these top forex traders, top 5 forex traders around the world, especially in Europe and North America. They give us the same trade, the same profitable trades they are taking, and these trades we also provide them to you to take to make profit in form of signal. So with smart forex trading method, the trades become copy and paste, in which you just copy some of the signals provided by this top forex expert. You take the same trade and trade them to make profit. This does not require you to have full knowledge of forex trading before you start making good money in your trading. So this method, we provide 3 to 5 signals per day. Sometimes we provide as much as 7 to 10 signals. You trade these signals and you make good profit from it. Also, you also have a full access to our forex course for those that want to take our full forex course to know how to trade by themselves to make good profit. But with this smart forex trading, as once you register and fund your forex account, you can start making profit immediately by trading profitable signals. These signals have high degree of accuracy. We have a very high winning rate, so you can just start trading and making profit immediately you get started. It's very simple. Whether you are a newbie, whether you are already trading but you are making losses, you can use this method to start making good profits. So with our smart forex trading method, we make forex in form of copy and paste technique, in which you just start trading profitable signals. So our signals have about 80 to 90% accuracy, which means we win 4 out of every 5 trades. In forex, if you can win 6 out of 10 trades, if you are taking good proper risk management, you'll be able to grow your fund. Now we are even talking about having about 80 to 90% accuracy, in which you win 4 to 5 trades out of every 5 trades. This will enable you to be able to make good profit while trading with our forex signals. How much you can make monthly with our signal? People make as much as thousands of dollars trading these our profitable signals. But what we normally give as a target is that you will be able to double your money each month. You'll be able to double your fund by trading each month. For example, if you are funding with $250, we will give you target of being able to have $500 at the end of the month. If you are funding with $500, you can set a target of being able to have a $1,000 at the end of the month. So the target we normally give is that you'll be able to double your fund at the end of each month. So that is how much you can make. So these are some of the testimonies from some of our current members and those who are already using our signal. As you can see, this is 14th of March. This person was able to make $399 by trading our signal. This is another one on 13th of March. This person was able to make 174 US dollar here, and also 290.80 US dollar on the 10th. This is another one on the 10th, 290, the same one I showed just now. Then this is another one, 185.18 US dollar in a single day. And on the 8th, that's on the 9th of March, then on the 8th of March, the same person made 95 US dollar. As you can see, the profits are not fixed. You make sometimes you make much. You can see that on this 9th of March, all our trades closed in profit. Likewise, on the 10th of March, all our trades closed in profit. Then also on the 13th of March, all the trades closed in profit. Likewise, on the 10th, all the trades closed in profit. Sometimes in the whole week, we win all our trades. So then we have how we are able to make good profits with our signals is because of the high winning rate that we have. So once you are able to do proper risk management that we also show you how to do, you'll be able to grow your fund drastically within a very short time. So with this high degree of accuracy, if you trade our signals correctly, you'll be able to make good profit from this, surprisingly good profit. So also you can see some of the testimonies from this Mr. Bliss. He was thanking us. He was able to make, okay, I had a $30, it's now $75. This person was able to make 45 to 45 US dollar on this day, and is hoping to make $100 the following day. So these are some of the testimonies from our current members who are already trading. And this person was able to make 49 US dollar in a simple day. So this is the few trade I was able to take this week. I must say this is massive. So this is someone that's thanking us for the profit he was able to make with our signals. Then investor Michael, no loss from your signals at all. $83 today. This person was able to make 83 US dollar in a single day. And this is another trades. We also won all the trades on this day, which is 6th of March. And on the 3rd of March, we also have another profit of 208 US dollar. Many of the days we win all our signals, but there are some days we are not promising you that you win all the signals every day. There are days we have 1 or 2 losses, but over the week you'll be able to make good profit as long as you trade our signal correctly. So whether you are a newbie, whether you are already trading, even if you are a newbie, we will show you how to trade it. We have a lot of people who joined us afresh without any knowledge of trading. We are able to put them through. What we normally do is we take the first few trades with newbies and we give them step-by-step guide on how to register, how to fund their account, how to verify their account, and how to get started profitably. So whether you are a newbie, whether you are an old trader, you'll be able to make good profit from this. So we also have this testimony from this person thanking us. Thank you so much for the signals. This person was able to make 78.97 US dollar for his trades. Then we have another one from Muhammad. My $12 is now 29. This person has already lost most of his fund before joining us. Then he joined us with $12. Then he was able to grow it to $29 within a short period. He was actually trading the wrong way. Then I gave him some advice on how to trade with the small amount that he was having before he was able to fund with larger amounts. Then we have another person who was able to make $15 on this day. I'm so happy making massive income on my first trade. This was the first day he was trading with us. He was able to make 15 US dollar on this day. So will you like to join some of these our students and also start making profit just like the way they are doing? If you want to join us, there are some conditions by which you can gain free access to our Signal group. So now we are granting you 2 months free access, the same access that these people that were sharing testimonies, the same access they had to make good and enormous profit from this. We want to give you the same access. So now we are granting you 2 months free access to our Forex Signal group with this mouthwatering bonuses worth $850. So these are some of the bonuses that will be giving you if you are ready to get started with us. Number one, you'll be getting 2 months free membership access to our premium signal group. Is worth $200. Actually, a month's access to our signal group costs $100. So for 2 months free access that will be giving you is worth $200. For those that prefer to trade on their own, just want to gain access to our signal group, we have a number of paid members who are paying $100 monthly just to gain access to the signal group. You can make as much as $200 in a single day. That's like making times 2 of what you pay in a month in a single day. We have people who make this. So for this 2 months free access that we are giving you a value worth of $200. So you will be able to gain 2 months free access, membership access to our premium signal group. Also, we want to offer you our full forex trading course, which is valued at $250. Currently, our full forex trading course is selling for $250 in the market, but today we want to give you full access to our forex trading course. And thirdly, we'll be giving you 3 top life-changing ebooks valued at $100. So one of them is the Candlestick Trading Bible. It's very important for those that know about some of the trading resources. This is a very good book for beginner and people who are already trading. It's a very good resources for forex traders. A lot of valuable important points are in the book. Then we'll be giving you access to our Sell Like Crazy book, like by Zabri Subi. For those people that are interested in sales, we all engage in sales in one way or the other, whether while we're working for our companies or while we are running our businesses. We are all sales people. We are selling goods or selling service. This is a good book for you to be a good salesperson. Then we have the copywriting source book by Andy Marson, which we also be giving you free. Then fourthly, our professional support to hasten your trading success. This is about the most important gift we'll be giving you today or tonight, as the case may be. Our professional support to hasten your trading success valued at $300 for those that just subscribe for it with money. So we'll be giving you this free today or tonight, as the case may be. So conditions to qualify for our 2 months free signal plus other bonuses mentioned just now. So these are the conditions you need to meet to qualify for all these bonuses that we just mentioned in the previous slides. So to gain access to all these bonuses, you need to sign up with our reliable forex broker through our unique registration link. Then secondly, you need to send me a screenshot of your success page after you have signed up for me to confirm. That's for confirmation. Then thirdly, you need to verify your account using your ID card and proof of address. Those will be listed on the broker site, what you can use for your ID card just to verify your account, just like opening an account with a financial institution or a bank. They will need to verify your account to know that you are a real person that is opening account with them, and you are a legitimate person that is opening account with them. So you have to verify your account. Then you need to fund your account with minimum of $250 to trade. We are not charging you for this, but you will need to fund your account with $250 to trade with. This is the amount you'll be trading it with, and you'll be able to grow it and make some good profit with it. For our strategy, what works very well with our strategy with a minimum of $250. So for you to gain access to all these bonuses mentioned earlier, you need to fund your account with minimum of $250. And with this, you'll be able to make good and reasonable profit with your daily trades. So we are not charging you for this, but you will need to fund your account with an amount with which you trade, which is a minimum of $250. Then you need to download our trading app from your account page after your account verification. You can use MT4 or MT5, so you need to download the trading app. We recommend MT5. Then you will be trained by me on how to trade the signal if you are new to Forex trading, and added to our premium signal group. For those that are new, and for those that have limited or don't have knowledge of Forex trading, I will train you on how to trade these signals. I also have a pre-recorded video that will show you how to trade the signal. So I will show you directly one-on-one online on how to trade this signal if you are a newbie. We'll actually take your first few trades together while I guide you on how to do so. So you'll be able to do this correctly and make good profit, whether you are a newbie, whether you are an old trader. Then you log into your downloaded app and trade the signal lastly to make profit. So these are some of the steps you need to take. You just register with our broadcast link, verify and fund your account, and you join our signal group to trade. This is the summary of all this. But you require a minimum of $250 to trade. So after you are signed up with our Forex broker using our unique registration link, verified and funded your account with $250 minimum, send me the screenshot of your funded page. Then I will add you to our premium signal group and send you the access link to all other promised bonuses. Important notice: we are taking only 100 people for this opportunity, and based on the number of people accessing this training right now, these positions will likely fill up within 72 hours. So make sure you register with our broadcast link and fund your account as fast as possible to benefit from this offer. So based on the number of people that are watching this right now, we need only 100 people to take this offer so that we can work with them closely. We don't want too many people. We want the limited number of people that will be able to provide necessary support to, so that we'll be able to give them adequate support. So with the number of people that are accessing this will fill up within a very short time. So if you are interested in this, make sure you take action and fulfill these conditions as soon as possible, so that you'll be able to benefit from this and also make profit like our current students and we ourselves. So time for action. What we observe in these online courses that majority of people that go for courses like this, even though they might be interested, they procrastinate. Many of them procrastinate. By the time they later realize that people that took the class with them are making profit, it might be a little late. The people that joined earlier would have gone far ahead before they start taking action. Do not be like these people that procrastinate. Make sure you take action as quick as possible, because if you take all this knowledge, get all this knowledge, gain all these important points, but you do not take action, at the end of the day you may not be able to have anything to show for it. So the only way by which you can get results is by taking action. So make sure you take action on this as quick as possible to be able to get good and reasonable results from this. So with our forex trading method, we have people that are able to do this even on a full-time basis now. We have people that have been able to quit their 9-to-5 job to be able to face this. But I will encourage you to start first, see how it is, see how much progress you are making before you make further decision on this. So thank you very much. Like I said, make sure you take action as soon as possible. Question and answer. So if you have any question, just ask directly through our DM or ask directly from the group from which you get access to this training, or ask directly from the person from which you get access to this class. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take action. Thank you for your presence and God bless you. Bye for now. For your questions, you can reach me directly. Take care. Bye for now.